the device and all the accessories. Then connect with power supply. Click once to turn on the device and you'll see SON on the screen. You can then click level to adjust energy level of ultrasound. There's altogether 5 bars. Click level again to increase the energy level. When it comes to the 6 times, ultrasound function will be turned off. Then click Mode to adjust the working mode of ultrasound. Mode 1 is consecutive mode, meaning ultrasound emits energy consecutively. It can be applied for product penetration and skin rejuvenation. Mode 2 is intermittent mode with relatively short interval rate. It can be applied to cleanse skin and balance oil production. Mode 3 is intermittent mode with relatively long interval rate. It can be applied to massage skin and for product penetration. Mode 4 is intermittent mode with the longest interval rate. It can be applied to soothe skin and activate cells. There's 4 different modes for you to choose from, but always remember to select the mode that works best for your own skin. Connect the EMS cables with the device and clip on the patches with the cable. Then place the patches on the intended treatment area and select the EMS function. Set all parameters including energy level and mode. Then you can just rest and relax while the device works. Then press mode again for 3 seconds to switch to EMS function. Go to level to adjust the EMS energy level. The same as ultrasound, there's 5 bars of energy level. Click level to increase 1 bar of energy. High energy level brings more evident results and stronger electric pulsation. When you hit the 6th time, EMS function will be turned off as well. Then go to mode again to switch to different EMS working modes. You can choose from 4 different modes that works best for you. Mode 1 is patronage. It can be applied to ease pain and relax muscles. Mode 2 is friction. It can be applied to relax muscles and after workout massage. Mode 3 is a combination of patronage and friction. It works to tone up muscles. Mode 4 is tapping. It's best for muscle strain. Then press mode for 3 seconds to switch to LED function. Click level to change colors. Blue helps to repair skin, reduce inflammation and bacteria. Red helps to accelerate circulation, boost absorption, metabolism, and fade pigmentation. Purple not only helps to reduce inflammation and bacteria, it's also great for balancing oil production and acne-prone skin. You can select LED light based on your own skin needs. LED and ultrasound can work at the same time. All you need to do is select LED color first, and then press for 3 seconds to go to the ultrasound function. At last, press mode for 5 seconds to turn off the device.